Hi children, welcome to grade 6 English and this is our session 7 in chapter 5, the last leaf. And before getting into our session, let's do an activity. Children, share which character did you like the most in the story? And also, if you could change one thing about the story, what would be it? Okay, you have to write the answers in your note and post it in grade 6 English Google Classroom. And now let's move on to our class activity. Children, in your workbook, page number 61. And before doing this, please be clear and thorough about the story, the last leaf, and also the concept connection of chapter number 5. Okay? And 10th one. Why has pneumonia been given human qualities in this chapter? Why did everybody fear his touch? Use examples from the chapter to answer. Children, you have to mention why pneumonia been given human qualities in this chapter and what do we call that? And why did everybody fear about this pneumonia? You have to use examples from the chapter. You can refer the book and write. And 11th one, what sacrifice did Berman take to paint his masterpiece? What does this tell you about his character? What sacrifice Berman made to paint his masterpiece? And what does this tell you about the old man Berman's character? Okay, you have to explain in brief. And 12th one, when we describe a character, we often use the present tense. When you are telling about someone, when you are describing about some character, we always use present tense. Here you have to write a paragraph introducing any one character from the story to your classmates. It may be Sue, it may be John C, or it may be old Berman. Okay, and you have to introduce any one character from story to your classmates and be creative in your introduction and use the present tense. And next one is 13th question. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her about the beautiful relationships in the story, The Last Leaf. Read your letter in class. Children, you have to write a letter describing your friend. You have to write a letter describing the beautiful relationships in the story between Sue, John C, and the old Berman to your friend. Okay, and read your letter in class. And 14th question. How is The Last Leaf a tale of friendship, sacrifice, and hope? Okay, how this last leaf story is about friendship, sacrifice, and hope. You have to give brief explanation of this to prove this. Okay. And next 15th question. At what point of time in the story do you begin to think that Berman has helped Chauncey recover? At what point of time you can able to know that Berman has helped John C to recover from her illness? And 16th question, what is the message in the story The Last Leaf? Children, I hope you are clear with all these questions. Read the story and concept connection thoroughly and then write the answers referring your concept book. Okay? Then only you can able to do it very easily. And now let's see the home assignment for today's session. Children, real world connect in your workbook page number 65. Strap yourself into a time machine and turn the dial into the past. Now collect important facts about any major event that took place in class 5. Children, you just imagine you strap yourself in a time machine. Okay, and now you are turning the dial into the past. So you have to collect some important facts about any major event that took place in class 5. Okay, then turn the dial to the present and now correlate that event, that is link that event with something that happens in class 6. Okay, and next Now switch the dial of your time machine to the future and connect these events to something that you think will happen in the future in class 7. Children, it's very simple. For example, you just think of your class and how you learnt when you are in class 5. That you can write in the past tense. And how you are learning now because of this pandemic and lockdown, how you are learning now and how it gets changed. And in future, in class 7, okay, how you will learn, how the things will get changed and how you will learn and what are the things will be happening in class 7, that you have to imagine and write. Like this, you have to link the events in past, present and future, and you have to give a brief. Okay, yes. And first question, which event did you choose? Second, give reasons for your choice. Okay, why you chose that particular event, you have to give reason. And third, which tense did you use in your paragraph? And the detective in me thought, before you start learning this chapter, what you thought, that you have to write there. And I was right, I was wrong, whether you are right or wrong, that you have to tick and you have to write it with reason. Okay, and why you are thinking that way, that also you should write here. And next one is my style. Yes, that is C3 part. Faith can move mountains. Write a paragraph on this statement taking clues from the story. Faith can move mountains. What it means, children? Yeah, it means that with the help of faith, hope and belief, we can do anything and everything, even you feel that it is impossible to do. Okay, only thing is faith is very important. You have to write a paragraph on this statement taking clues from the story, the last leaf. This is your first activity. And second one, make a painting illustrating your emotions about the story and pin it on your classboard. Children, you have to make a painting illustrating your emotions while you are reading the story. Clear? And third one, imagine that you visit an old age home or a hospital. Mention any person who is selflessly working there to make life better for others and how you plan to help him or her. Also mention what you did during the visit. You just imagine that you are visiting an old age home or any hospital and mention any one person who is working selflessly there to make life better for others. It may be nurse or it may be doctor or it may be a person who is taking care of that old grandparents. Okay, and how you plan to help him or her. Also mention what you did during the visit. You have to imagine and write a passage. Okay, and children, I hope you are clear with all the class activities and home assignment. After completing the answers, you have to post it in grade 6 English Google Classroom. Children, drink more water, eat healthy food, reduce your screen time, give adequate rest to your eyes, don't use mobile phones and television often, stay home and stay safe, children. Thank you so much.